Got the mad scientist in the lab building a PC worthy of the printers. Got my assistant here. Yo, what's up, Big Booty Julie? Side of the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, big man. He was on that one, boy. You want to pull out that other print? You want to hand me that?
Yeah.
So for size comparison, this PC is, oh, that's dope.
That's the one half of the show.
Nice. So we got Blastoid coming up.
Big eye.
Yeah, let's see it. Oh, why didn't you color it?
It didn't have the option.
You have to do it on the slicer. I'll show you.
I think they redoing it.
It's all good. You can paint it.